Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. Today I like to make a review about the Morphe eyeshadow palette. Oh my goodness, I have recently purchased this product and I was like, this palette needs a video, needs its own review video. If you guys have not watched my review about the Morphe setting spray, I have actually mentioned this is one of the best setting sprays that I have tried. Oh my goodness, guys, the spray that it comes with it is a magic. Just make sure that you don't get it in your mouth because it tastes weird. This video is not about the spray today, it's about this amazing palette, you guys. The palette that I do have is, by the way, the 35M Boss Mood palette. 35 different shades. When you do purchase it, it comes with this little plastic paper which talks about the names of the shades. You guys probably have noticed that I am into bright colors. You know, I do have brown eyes, so whenever I want to make my eyes pop, I do use different colors than the color of my own eyes. Most of my palettes are about, you know, bright colors. Look at this one, for example, from Makeup Revolution, and I have another palette from the BH Cosmetics, and this is all about colors as well. Like, I literally feel ashamed how I am so into colors. Oh my goodness. I promise this is the last palette that I'm going to show you. Look how colorful that is. This palette is the bomb. Why? Because it does not flake. Oh my goodness, guys, these swatch so well. These are so pigmented, and then these palettes blend so beautifully, you know, these shadows. And just to show you, by the way, sometimes I do mix the color of black and also brown and then use it on my brows as well. This is what I'm wearing on my brows today as my like a brow, you know, shadow, and it works pretty well on my brows. You guys know I am pretty much the mixture of black and brown, you know, my natural hair color. But other than that, sometimes I do like to go to these light colors as well, especially since it's fall now. You can create a beautiful fall look from these shadows right here, the colors. And another thing that I have to mention about this palette, by the way, there's actually colors that kind of comes in a duo. For example, if you want to use this kind of a yellowy and like a kind of a milk color, you want to mix it with this color right here. It comes in a duo. And the same goes with these colors as well. If you guys notice that one is brighter and the other one is darker. And then the same goes with the nudes as well. You know, there's actually one matte shade, there is actually one shimmery shade, you know, to pack it in the middle of your eyes. And then it comes with these colors as well. As you guys noticed, that you can actually kind of blend all three together. You know, you can use this like shimmery color on the middle of your eyes, and then you can use this one right here on the corner of your eyes, and then this one as the transition shade, you know. And the same goes with these darker shades as well. If you guys notice that there's like a purple shade, there's blues, there's pinks, you know, there's nudes and dark shades, obviously. And then of course there is like bold colors like yellow and green. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this little Morphe brush that I purchased not long ago as well. Oh my goodness, like I am such a fan of Morphe ever since I started working at Ulta. So this is the Morphe M505 brush. I usually like to use it to the outer corner of my eyes to pack the darker colors. And I just want to show you this matte color, like any matte color, and then I will show you how it does not flake, just like Anastasia. Let's go ahead and get this color right here. Obviously it is powdery, but it does not necessarily like drips everywhere, you know, and it gets like a really good amount of, you know, shadow on the brush. It blends beautifully, you know. This is what I really like about these shadows. You know, you can beautifully blend the color on your eyes, and you don't have to worry about, you know, like the shadows being patchy on the skin. Let me go ahead and talk about these shimmery colors. The shimmery colors, I personally like to use my finger. Let's go ahead and talk about this color right here, which is the Bright Eyes. Obviously for brighter colors, or I would say for shimmery colors, you want to use your finger to blend it. And look at this. Oh my goodness, it is so beautiful, guys. It's like, it's so satisfying when you do use these. And I'm also gonna go ahead and swatch this kind of orange and also the mixture of a red color. And look at these ones. Oh my goodness, I don't know, I am such a fan of a shimmer colors. Ah, look at this, are you kidding me? And then swatch it on here. And look at this. It is one of the best purple shades that you can get. It is beautiful. It's creamy. It doesn't necessarily make you messy again when you do apply it. And what I'm wearing, by the way, today on my eyes is this color right here. It's more like, I would say, the mixture of purple and also blue. And the color is the Daredevil. And I mixed this with this color. Just like I mentioned, it comes with the combo. It comes with duo. I did use the matte shade on the outer corner, and I packed this shade in the inner corner. And I have also used this color right here to kind of brighten up the color a little bit, because this color on its own is a little too dark, and just a little bit goes a long way as well. Look at this. Oh my goodness, this is one palette that I would actually recommend go out and purchase. You know, get your wallet and purchase this palette. You are not gonna regret, you know, purchasing this. It's that good, you know. So far I have been loving the palette, and I have also been enjoying the setting spray as well. And then there's actually two or actually three brushes that I ended up purchasing from Morphe as well. And my go-to is this one to kind of pack the transition shade on my eyes, and it is the M504. And another one that I really like is this the white hair one, and it is the M518. And I really like how you can actually get really like a blend, like get to blend the colors with this brush. It's so good. And another one that I again really like, I have mentioned it earlier, and this is the M505 brush to pack the darker colors on the outer corner of my eyes. And I love them so far. For the price tag, oh my goodness, these are the bombs. I think every single person who's into makeup needs to own one of these brushes. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave me in the comment below if you guys have any suggestions from Morphe. Like, I would love to know what's your favorite product from this brand. Is there any product that you're interested the most? You know, I will try my best to make a review about it as well. So all right, have a great day, guys. I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye, guys.